see who jumps on today. I've got some fun information for you. I think it's pretty helpful, and hopefully I can help you or your families with it. So let's see who jumps on. It's Monday. I know everybody's kind of getting adjusted to the week and getting in their groove for the week. So I will be saving this live and recording it and reposting it for later. So anybody who is not watching it exactly when I'm recording, you're welcome to reach out with any questions or any tidbits of information when it's already saved and loaded. And I'll be sure to reply to any of your questions or concerns or DMs after the live is over. So hi Ray, thank you so much for watching. I would wave back, but I don't want to disturb the live. But thank you so much. Love the engagement, love when people come on here and say hello. I really enjoy touching base with everybody and seeing how you all are doing, making myself available in case you guys have any questions that I am qualified to answer. Okay, so my wireless connection apparently is in and out right now, so bear with me. But you know, I'm going to get to what I want to talk to you about in just a moment. I'm over here at the office today, and as you guys know, I work for Keller Williams property team in Merced, and I had a whole bunch of setup stuff that I had to take care of today, but I came across some really pertinent information that I think that you're going to like. So without further ado, waiting for other people to join, I'm going to go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes of the information I want to give you because I'm so excited. As you know, if you follow any of my videos or if you know me personally, I love to give freely knowledge that I've acquired throughout the years. And in my real estate business, practice, ethic, I just really enjoy helping people through the process, whether I'm representing them or not. Hello, Mansoor. Thank you for joining. So today, I came across some information about mortgage products available that I would love to set you up with if you're looking to refinance or purchase. There are some wonderful incentives. The only catch is that you have to come through me, that you have to talk to me. And to my lending friends and partners out there outside of these programs, you know, there's going to be those situations that your services will be needed too. So, but this particular type of loan mortgage product is only available if you contact me directly. So if you have friends or family that could benefit from it, please let me know. I'll be reaching out to my clientele base that are active in transactions or that are pricing around right now to give them the availability as well. So now that I've got a few people watching, just remember that you always are available to send me a question or send me a DM if you want to delve into your personal affairs a little bit more. But right now, this will be very general. Hello, Jerry. Thank you for watching. This will be really general right now. So without further ado, if you're somebody who is looking to purchase or refinance in the very near future, and you're looking to reduce your closing costs and maybe have a credit towards your mortgage, I have some programs available through the brokerage that you may be interested in. So just to give you an idea, I am a realtor. I'm not a mortgage officer, but these are working directly with some wonderful mortgage officers that can get you fully qualified, evaluate your special situation, and see exactly what you're qualified for based on your income, your assets, your credit, and that is if you want to refinance or if you want to purchase, okay? So I actually have a client right now who's refinancing so she can purchase a new home. So, you know, everybody's situation is different. If you're looking to refinance and maybe get an investment property, let's talk. This definitely can help you out and keep your expenses down, which is what we want, right? A lot of people want to purchase real estate. A lot of people want to purchase a lot of things. Hi, Tommy. Thanks for watching. A lot of people, you know, psych themselves and talk themselves out of it. Fear is definitely one of the main reasons people fail to act. And that goes for buying, selling, investing, all of it. So, and that's totally understandable. You want to be careful, you want to be educated. But this, if you can see side by side different fees that are being charged to you when you're shopping for a mortgage, either for a purchase or refinance, that helps you make a better educated decision, right? So that's why I'm here. So if you've ever purchased a property before, you know what closing costs are, but if you haven't, let me just tell you. We usually assume closing costs, hi Patrick, thanks for watching. We usually assume closing costs at about 2 to 3%, right? Even 2 to 4%, it just depends. 2 to 3% is my rule of thumb. That's what I like to say to my clients when they're budgeting for their closing costs. Now, of course, I love to negotiate and negotiate in my client's favor if they're purchasing to try to get you credits towards your closing costs. Thank you for saying hi back, Patrick. To get you credits towards your closing costs. Well, as you probably know, unless you've been in a bubble, a lot of us are in sellers markets right now. So it's really hard to get you credits towards your closing costs if you're a buyer, because if you put that into your contract, someone who is not asking for that and there's 10 other offers, more than likely they're not going to entertain your request for closing cost credit. So what can we do? What can we do? Well, there's a product available, and I have a little printout here. Here's an example of some closing costs that you can expect when you're purchasing a home. And that's not to scare you guys, okay? This is just an estimate. But these are the list of the different closing costs that you have. So with this particular product, without giving you all the information, just letting you know that it may be available for you, you can potentially get loan origination fee waived, processing fees waived, and underwriting fees waived. Isn't that amazing? Also, on top of that, potentially you can get $1,000 credit from the lender directly to your transaction. Now, on average, people are saving $4,500 to $5,000 on these kinds of loans. So that's about average of what I like to negotiate closing cost wise for my clients, without even having to do it, just by choosing the right loan product. Now, if that's not incentive, especially this day and age where as a buyer you may not have the upper hand with negotiation, I mean, this is a great way to get around it. Also, this particular program, you could pay for your appraisal at the end of the transaction. So a lot of times when people are purchasing, they have to write a check for that down payment or for the deposit and for the appraisal and the inspections. So if you can at least wait to pay for the appraisal and just let it go with the different credits and payments that whoever you're dealing with is making, then that's less money out of your pocket while you have to move and do all those other things. So this also applies, like I said, if you're looking to refinance. So if you're refinancing and you want to reduce your closing costs and potentially have a credit and not have to come out of pocket for your initial appraisal, I mean, I could definitely set you up with that as well. Now, like I said, the only catch is that you have to come through me and talk to me, because it is a plan through my brokerage, and but I would love to help you out. I know that was a lot of talking, and it seems like a lot of jargon when someone's just going on and on when it's not directly applicable to you, right? But just take this before I sign off. A lot of people, like I said, don't act because they're fearful, because they're always waiting. And it doesn't hurt to take a look to see what your options are. So options are going to change regularly, but the fear of missing out or the fear of failure is going to stop you in your tracks. And even if you do act and there's benefit for you, that is something that I would hope that you'd want to pursue more than just avoiding everything. Hello, Reiki. Thank you for watching. You watch my lives a lot. I see your name pop up a lot. So if you are feeling fearful, especially in the state of our world, of our country, of everything, our economy, it's a little shaky right now, but you know what? There's a lot of benefits too. So financially, if you can set yourself up for something that's going to pay you in the future or avoid, excessive costs. Hi, Rodolfo. Hello, Isaac. That'll avoid costs later on. I mean, you're really doing yourself a service. And I just wanted to reach out to you guys and let you know that if you're in the process of purchasing or refinancing and you've got a bunch of lender costs and you're not getting any credits, and maybe it's a little tight right now and you don't want to have to pay for your appraisal up front, well, give me a call. Let's get you set up, because this is a wonderful program and wonderful program and wonderful. All right, the phone is going off, so I'm going to have to sign up from the live. Hey, Rodolfo, thanks for saying hi. And for anybody who watched, I greatly appreciate you. I really am trying to reach out more and touch base with you guys. So Not a lot of engagement today, but even you guys just jumping on here, I appreciate it more than you know. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Once again, if you ever need anything, go ahead and DM. Hello, Alfredo. I'm actually signing off right now. Thank you for logging on. Go ahead and start from the beginning. Thank you, Ray. I'll see you next time, and I'll be posting this as well. If you guys have any questions or comments for me, go ahead to my new website, which is knowledgebrokermel.kw.com. No www, guys, just knowledgebrokermel.kw.com. And you'll see all my links for my Instagram, my Facebook, and my YouTube. So thanks again, you guys.